Hey everyone, welcome to Construct 3, a video on Construct 3 where I'm going to be creating a game. However, it's not a tutorial video, it's based on how much I know about with the game. Now, if you come to the blocks here, you can add blocks to it as well, and even increase the mass of this. So, we're just going to right click and click paste, because these are already copied. So yeah, we just want to click paste because these are copied tabs. My character is there too, but his hitbox is very not good. So let's just shrink that up a bit, up to his feet, so you're able to sort of touch his head, to the head, with the feet. And let's just save him for now, and let's call him upgrade. So yeah. Yeah, that's that. So let's just save that too. So now I've had the behaviors in, so I can now run, I can now move and jump to wherever I want and all sorts. And the camera doesn't follow him. So how can I make him move? Well, I don't do anything special really. To make him move, I just go to add platform behavior. That's always added in. But since I've already got platform, I don't need that. So yeah. And solid means that you get, well, even this is solid as well. Now, if I were to copy him again, he's going to get, if I were to copy him and create a new one, click paste, not this one, this, him, copy, click paste, he is going to have the same exact new generated hitbox. Okay, and then if you want to play with both, well, that's just simply just control both, sort of. Not sure why all these fell down. Perhaps I have no clue why this even had to happen. What does that do that's a difference? Oh, because they're on platform. That's why. Because the blocks are on platform. Yeah, that's better. And then, really interesting, you can actually max the speed here and other stuff too. Template mode is none. But also, oh yeah, I remember how to do it now. Let's go to behaviors and let's add scroll to. That way the camera is always with us. So yeah, now for just default. I remember that just fell. Grand. Yeah, guys. And okay. Wait a minute. Hold on a minute. I just want to do something for a moment. Yeah, that's that. Okay, so that's that, guys. And you can just keep on adding more blocks as well. To create a new block, or to do more, I can just go back to copying the right thing, so I can just keep it and paste. And paste to go to the next one. Okay, that's that. And on the block I can add a new sprite. Listen. Listen. Yeah, guys, that's that. And add a new sprite. Click anywhere on the screen, and this can be an enemy. I'm just gonna draw him. You'll be like a. What can we do for him, for his design? Just do that for him. He's really that. Yeah, it's not the best in the box, but yeah, it's this. We can give him to be right there, and of course make him. No. Of course, he also needs to be able to have animation and solid behavior, and also let's add some behavior as well. Give him the line of sight, and also. And that's that, okay. And let's also put him on another behavior. Its direction. Pathfinding. Maybe, so you can come to us. And you can come to us. Okay guys, so that's pathfinding. Let's put him another behavior, and let's make this one where is it? A direction. So let's see what happens now. Maybe if we remove the remove the A direction thing. This should do better, I believe. This should not make it move everywhere. Yeah. So, just slaughter him. Perhaps something like this. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can even, for example, let's see, I can add, let's just add one more perhaps. Let's add the sprite. This sprite will be different. Let's click anywhere. Listen. The sprite is just finished. I'm almost finished. Almost finished. For example, guys, here we can draw the for example, guys, I can add here we can put this in yellow. Oh no, I don't need that one. I need that one. This can be a little coin, for example. I can draw the coin to be up to this level here. That could be my coin. Let's just see. This is called a coin. That's that. But yeah, guys, that's about the time I've got left for the video. And I hope that you did enjoy the video, guys, and I'll see you in another one. Bye. Alright guys, I'll see you in another video.